video on graphing the square root parent function. So the equation for the parent function of the square root is y equals the square root of x. So we're going to go ahead and create a table of values to evaluate that function. So I'm going to substitute -2 in, -1 in, 0, 1, and 2. All right, so I'm going to start off with substituting -2 into the function. If you substitute a -2 into the function, in your calculator you're going to notice there's an error message. You cannot have a negative number for x. So if I substitute -1 in, that also doesn't work. All right, let's go ahead to 0. The square root of 0 is 0. The square root of 1 is 1. Now when I substitute the square root of 2 in, it's not a very nice number. You throw it in your calculator, you're going to get a decimal value. So I'm going to go ahead and change that number. So not a 2, but a perfect square. So I'm going to substitute square root of 4 in, and I get 2. So here are my 3 ordered pairs I'm going to graph: 0, 0, 1, 1, 4, 2. So head over to my coordinate plane: 0, 0, 1, 1, 4, 2. So there's what our parent function for the square root looks like. Our domain, our x values. We cannot have any negative numbers here. So if you notice on my graph, nothing is happening over here. The first value that exists is at 0, 0. So my domain is anything greater than or equal to 0. Now my range of values, what type of numbers am I getting out? If you look down here on the y-axis, down in here, nothing is happening. Where it starts is at 0, 0, and it's going above, getting greater. So the range is y greater than or equal to 0. So that's how you can graph the parent function of the square root.